Hello, my friend. So, welcome back to another coding session. I'm drinking a little coffee. I will wear my watch so that way, I keep track of my body, like my heartbeats, I should say, my heartbeats, and a lot of, yeah, I like actually, just for the time actually, but I can kind of know if I'm stressed or not. When my heartbeat is really high, I think, why? Usually it's when like something happened and like when I'm very stressed, very under pressure, and I'm sure in today's video everything will be fine because I'm just it's just you and me, and I love that. So as you can see here, we are going to do some cursor. Yes, I've been software engineer for now 12 years, and now why not to use AI instead? You have to change. You have to change your habit. I was a bit slow using AI, Copilot. I really only started in 2013, and I could have started in 2020. Oh, sorry, I started in 2023, and I could have started in 2021 already. 22. Yeah, 2022 is when really things became really like out there, really famous. And I only started using AI in 2023. So like 1 year later, which is quite a lot of time, especially in the AI world. It's a lot, but that's okay. I'm using AI more and more and more, and it's really important. Otherwise, I would just be a slow and old engineer. And basically, I'm using really like AI so much. It's the same with crypto. I think I was really good when the Web3. I don't know actually if Web3 is maybe even dead, but back in 2021, I started investing a lot of time, and I have built quite some dApp, how they call it, dApp in Web3. But now there's nothing. Like, I mean, it's not that popular anymore. dApp, DAPP, decentralized. But is Web3 dead? I'm not too sure. This is not today's topic, but in 2021, 2022, like everybody was speaking about it. And now I have the feeling, I'm not too sure actually, what's going on there. Anyway, let's go back to cursor. And here, this is the thing where I wonder why cursor doesn't like this. Normally cursor should also, I will just maybe open the edit. Maybe that's too specific, or like to please fix this when updating pod. I will probably just because unable to find, it doesn't find, I believe the version is not right. It seems the version of this one isn't correct. Let's see in the package.json. RCTA, no. No, let's Google it. So probably we have something a little bit more helpful. And sometimes you have to do those research. Yeah, it's coming from the pod file. Probably let's have a look in the pod file. The pod file doesn't seem to be correct. Please investigate. And now it research. Now with cursor, you have to be a little bit careful because if I go to my cursor account, you have only 500 if I sign in. Oh, I need to sign in again. My account is on. I have the GitHub sign in, so you see I have used already 138 requests out of 500. So after it will be a little bit slower. Yeah, that's just something to take into account. Now you also have a pro enterprise version, yeah, business, how they call it. So if we go here, oh, they don't even show the business. If I open a private tab, if I go to pricing, business is $40 a month. And so what it does, enforce privacy mode, okay, centralized team, admin. But does it have any limitation? It doesn't say. 500 to the premium model. Yeah, it doesn't really say anyway. And here, no, it doesn't want to work. So if I do comment E, comment L, please fix the pod file currently error. Perfect. Maybe I will change the model to default. Let's see if it helps. Sometimes you see, like if you really want to do everything with AI only, it might be a little bit trickier. Because again, most of the time it works, but when you have some specific edge cases like this, it might be a little bit harder. So this sounds better. That sounds more how it would look like, although I'm not too sure what this is at. Normally this doesn't exist in, I'm not sure why it added this. I have a doubt this one would work, because normally you never have this kind of function there. But let's see what it does. And in parallel, we can entertain ourselves running, like here, I would just commit this. Just commit that. And here, I will do commit like this. Oops. And then I will just CA to update this one, paste. Perfect. All right, so what's going on there? Where are we? Do we have any update? Oh yeah, that has been. Do we have something to generate images? I'm not sure. Please generate screenshots to be uploaded to the App Store, as well as a description, etc. for the App Store. Build it in a chunky script. Perfect. So now let's go back here. It's getting a bit better. I will accept the changes. Let's see if this one will work. That one. Let's have a sip of coffee. All right, amazing. I will just yeah, the problem is my charger. Now it's okay. I have 25%. So let's sit here. All right, because it's a little bit better than the stool. You know, the stool is a little bit harder. I like stools, but the booth here, it's a little bit better, a little bit cozier, which I like. I need a pillow. Oh yes, please, pillow, amazing. Ugh. You know, with AI it's nice because you can almost be blind. However, I wouldn't recommend you to be a code monkey, but basically what you can do is to wear your sleeping eye mask like this, to tighten it a little bit. Oops. And I love sleeping eye mask. You know, I have been sleeping like in public transport, like plane, buses and so on, and having a sleeping eye mask is so handy. All right, and so now I can code. You see, joke apart, but I mean, besides the joke, it's real. Like you become dumber and dumber with AI, but it also helps you a lot, and it usually does better than what an engineer does. It even does better than a senior engineer. Everybody say, oh, AI is like a junior engineer. That was 1 year ago. And now people say, oh, it's like mid engineer. And like in 6 months time, it will be like a senior engineer. And then like a senior lead engineer. You see? Because with all of the agents, it will manage a team of engineers. And for you can just be the C-level person where you have a mindset, where things have to go instead of executing code. That's not your job anymore, which is actually quite nice because coding is nice, but you know, sometimes it's exhausting and you spend a lot of time building things that actually can be built so much quicker. All right, so here, let's see this one. Yeah, we'll accept that one, that's fine. The other app I have a lot of apps I'm building in parallel, which is okay. I really love doing that. That's my rule, yes. All right, so All right, so this one, I think I also want to screen shot. I will go to the readme. Please generate screenshots and a description, a catchy description for the App Store, Google Play, and apply the changes to be published. Perfect. Soon we'll be able to create a script to automatically do the marketing as well on like Reddit, for instance. So automatically I can also ask Cursor to build a script for publishing a article automatically on Reddit. So it will, it will create a description, a post on a subreddit. For instance, it will probably be like side project. And that will be nice. It will even do the marketing. I can actually do that right now. I can ask and it will do it. So yeah. Actually I could do that. But I don't want my post to be AI, but yeah. Like I did this one. I will show it to you. This one was for my app MealSnap. And this one. And so yeah, you see? That one, the title. Yes, there's quite a lot of AI actually. The title is kind of AI. It looks too much like AI. However, I did it too fast, and with Reddit, the annoying thing is that you can't edit the post title, only the body, not the post title, you see. It's only this one. And then that one is more like human-friendly one, but I have been helped by ChatGPT to create that one. I asked ChatGPT to fetch all of the Reddit posts and to find really good ones with a lot of views. And I want something similar because of course I want to have my post to be popular. And if it's something that has been already viral, well, probably if I use the same style as a previous post that was viral in the past, I have more chance to have my post as well, also to be viral. So that's why I just ask like ChatGPT, something like that. I will show it to you. All right. And after we have to go to downstairs actually, so because I'm a bit hungry. So it will probably be the end of this session, but I will create another session for you later on today. So like fetch the most popular, so fetch on Reddit or for us is not that, yeah, why not, entrepreneur or like side projects, the most popular posts, find correlations of the viral ones and create one for me for MealSnap app. Update my original post accordingly. Perfect. And here I will that will probably be, let's do that, and let's do submit. I could also have added like descriptions, what is MealSnap, so we would give more context, more details to ChatGPT. Oh yeah, MealSnap is a AI journal log, calories counter tracker. I could have like, for instance, copy paste. I can actually copy paste the description. I can do that. If I do this, perfect. And then I will just copy the text. All right. And here for your information, MealSnap is perfect. So maybe it will give something a little bit better, but that's already the description, And the title is really nice actually, because it knows already how long, like I have done something similar. So it has already, ChatGPT has already some data. That one would be nice too. And yeah, that would be a good post. Yeah. So if I create a new one, side project. All right, and I will do something like that. You see, as simple as that. All right, so here I can accept this. Beautiful. And yeah, I need to run this command to build first, and then after to submit. It's really nice, especially with Expo. It's very handy to submit an app. Here it doesn't use EAS from Expo. Oh, I need to check in the package suggestion, but I have an error. If build iOS, yeah, it does use EAS from Expo. That's nice. But I do have an error. Let's see that in the next video. I will see you in the next video. I will buy some food and I wish you a AI happy coding in the meantime.